mga mainit at pinakamalalaking issue sa showbiz ngayong linggo. Sanay Puwersa, Aga Mulak at Ann Curtis magkasamang haharap sa mga pinakabagong hamon sa kanila. Ang pinaka-romantic movie ngayong summer na inaabangan at pinagkakaguluhan na kahit trailer pa lang. Mula sa Star Cinema at Viva Productions ang When Love Begins. When Love Begins, sa unang pagtatambali na Aga Mulak at Ann Curtis, isang pagtatambal na dream come true para kay Ann na aminadong si Aga ang dream leading man niya mula pa noon. When Love Begins, sa mga maiinit na scenes ni Aga at Ann, ang mga very passionate at daring kissing scenes, pati love scene na tiyak raw na ikagugulat at kakikiligan ng mga manunood. When Love Begins, sa isang naibang love story.
Girlfriend mo na ba? In a way,
Bago yun ah.
oh, girlfriend, in a way, ang ibig sabihin, walang commitment, ganun. The next time I see you, I will not let you go.
At dito lang sa isang Entertainment Live scoop, Aga Mulak at Ann Curtis live na live sa Entertainment Live.
At kasama natin ngayon live na live sa Entertainment Live, the very beautiful Miss Ann Curtis.
Yes, hello,
Kayo
good
yan.
afternoon. Thank you for
At
having
ang ultimate crush ng bayan, kahit ako ay may crush sa kanya, the one and only Mr. Aga Mulak.
Hello. It's nice to be back here sa Entertainment Live.
Yes,
Hi,
thank you
How
for
are
being back. Hey, Luis, ang tagal
Hello.
nang hindi naging ganito kaingay sa studio. Ngunit sa pagbabalik ni Mr. Aga Mulak at Ann Curtis pa. Wow! Thank you for being here. Talagang pinag-uusapan itong super hot movie ninyong dalawa. Hot as in, the stars are hot, Boracay pa yung location, yung kwento hot. So madami tuloy yung nagtatanong, wala ba sa inyong dalawa yung na-tense o nadala masyado in handling itong material na to?
Si Luis ang tanongin mo dyan.
Mabata ko. Kayo na sa Boracay, nananahimik ko sa buhay ko.
Ikaw ba? May nararamdaman ka ba?
Base sa nakita ko sa trailer, yes. Napakaraming emosyon na nakikita trailer pa lang. Pero for you two,
Ramdam mo.
Nips?
How about you, Ann? Ever since before you were saying na talagang dream mo na makatambal itong si Aga. So finally, when it came through, super hot ng lahat ng things about the movie. Hindi ka ba as a girl, hindi ka ba parang gusto nadala sa mga moments?
Well, I guess it's just something I had to be professional about. I really had to. Kasi
Professional.
Ang hirap
I had
ng
to be
trabaho ni Ann.
Pero nagawa ko naman siya. I really
Galing.
had to concentrate and think, okay, si Ben Caballero to, hindi to si Aga Mulak. Si Ben Caballero to, hindi to si Aga Mulak. Na-achieve ko naman.
Tito Ags, how was it naman working with Ann?
Ano sabi mo sa akin?
Bro. Bro. Bro.
Bro, ilagay mo sa tama.
But, Bunso, how was it working with Ann?
Alam mo, yung sinasabi niya, okay, I'm gonna kiss si Ben Caballero. Tapos pag-kiss nun, si Aga to. Parang gano'n. Loko lang. Baka madaming nanonood.
Tito Ags, how different is the movie
Isa
from
pa
A
dito,
Love
Ags
Story?
mo ba?
Bunso.
Oo nga, bro.
Bunso.
Ito talaga.
Bunso, how different
Alam mo,
is
ang
this movie
tatay mo
from...
lang ang matanda, okay?
We all know.
Okay.
How different is this movie from A Love Story?
Ha?
How different is this movie from A Love Story?
Or mas magaang siya, no? It's a light, well, hindi naman sa ganun ka-light yung pelikula, but yung love story was medyo mature. It tackled on husband and wife relationship. Ito naman, it's a boyfriend, girlfriend, ganun, non-committal siya, ayaw ng commitment.
Very Ann.
Ay, grabe naman yung Luis. Grabe ka naman makapagbitaw ng salita.
Hindi, wala ko. Bakit?
Wow, ah.
Hindi, bakit sabi ka? Yeah?
Sabi ni Direk Joey Reyes, it was a pleasure working with you both. At kung pwede daw, ay gusto niya makatrabaho kayong dalawa ulit. Ano nga reaction niya doon?
Me, I would love to work with Derek again. It was such a pleasure working with him. Sobrang, ang ganda kasi ng scripts niya. Ang ganda ng mga linya niya. And he's so much fun to work with. Alam mo yun, yung hindi mabigat sa set. It's just so much fun. Si DJ. Hi, DJ, if you're watching.
DJ Direct Joey,
Yeah.
because mahilig ko sa DJ. Tsaka, and it's our 8th movie together with Joey Reyes.
Wow.
Yes, diba?
So, it's always fun to work with Joey. And as a matter of fact, when this movie was offered to me, sinabi ko kaagad, ang gusto ko mag-direct si Joey Reyes. Kaagad. So,
Okay, bro. Tsaka Nips, why don't you invite
Yes,
everyone
brother.
to watch When
Yes,
Love Begins?
brother.
Why don't you invite everyone?
Oh, go. Oh, sige. Okay,
Sige.
wait, ikaw naman yan, premiere night. Go.
Saya ni Ann ngayon, no?
Okay! Hi, Ivo. Anyway.
Sino? Ano sabi mo?
Hi sa friend ko. Hello.
Ay! Nako!
Pakiulat nga sa
Wait.
friend
Oh,
mo.
ito na, showing na po on April 30. Premiere night po namin si April 29. Tuesday po yan at the SM Mega Mall. Cinemas 9 and 10 at 7 p.m. Dalawang cinemas po yan, 9 and 10 at 7 p.m. Mamaya, we have a mall show at Market and we also have international screenings. May 2 to 16, Micronesia Mall, Guam. May 9 to 15, Regal Village Square Stadium, Las Vegas. UA Horton Plaza, San Diego. May 16, Toronto, Canada. May 16 to 22, Cerritos Stadium Cinema, Los Angeles. May 23 to 29, Regal Cinema, East Valley, Seattle. May 30 to June 5, Regal Cole Cannery Stadium, Hawaii. May 22 to 24, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. May 29 to 31, Qatar and Bahrain.
Pwede pakiulit?
Wow.
So one thing we can guarantee you, magandang yung pelikula talaga. Always
Yes.
yan. And I'd like to thank, of course, Star Cinema and Viva
Viva,
Films.
thank
you
you.
very much sa walang sawa niyo pagsuporta. At sa mga taong manonood, maraming salamat at napapanood niyo pa natin yung mga pelikulang ginagawa namin.
Yes, sana po panoorin niyo po ang When
Yes.
Love Begins, April 30.
Bro,
Teka muna.
Yes,
Bilang ako,
this is it.
My kids are watching right now. I just want to greet Andres and Natasha. Hello,
Hi.
Kuya. Hello,
Ay, mga
Andres.
inaanak.
And my lovely wife who's watching right now.
Wow,
She's celebrating her birthday on May 1. B, happy birthday. I
Happy
love you very
birthday.
much.
birthday!
Yeah.
Eto naman, narito na ang inihintay na lahat si Kapitan Boom at ang cast ng Kapitan Boom kasama ni na Mariel at Tony.